Hey everyone, today I'm going to try to replace a rear tail light for a 2004 Honda CRV. So far I think this is all I need, is a Phillips star head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and of course the bulbs, which is a part 7443. Anyway, we'll see how it goes here. So first I take the flathead screwdriver, pop off the caps that you see next to the blinker in the rear of the car. Pops off like so. Quite easy. So we see we have a screw here. So I'm going to take my Phillips and take that apart. It's hard to do while you're recording on a smartphone, I've come to realize. There we go. Bolt down there for later. So it looks like I'm going to have to take out the whole assembly, all the bolts. So this is really hard because, as you can see, the hinge is on this side. So I don't have a lot of room to work with, but let's try and get that in there, like so. Try and get it so you can actually see what I'm doing here. It's hard to get the right angle. Oops. On this side, here, this just below the hinge anyway, on the other side you'll see a screw for Phillips. So it's really in there tight. Not sure if I can even get it. There we go. A little hard going at first. Maybe can kind of see what I'm doing on this side here. Very tight fit. There we go. Try not to lose that. I am using magnetic screwdriver, so that helps. Try to put it all back in place. Pop this open a little further. Oh, that looks like it's really loose. Just pop that clean off, as you can see. I'm trying to show you, like, it's separated from the vehicle entirely. Show this other side. You can see the whole thing popped off. So all you need is a flathead and a Phillips to take this stuff off. The bulb that I need to replace, I believe, is this second one. So let's see what we can do here. Pull this back. And just twist. Seems easy enough. Just pull that out. Oh, yeah, as you can tell, it's all black inside. Well, maybe you can't tell, but yeah, there we go, burnt out. So I'm going to just go around, pop this off, and just open up the package, which you probably can't see. You can just hear me doing it. I really need like a shoulder mount for these smartphones when you're doing instructional videos, or somebody else to hold the camera, but unfortunately today I don't really have somebody that can do that. So there's the bulb. You say try not to touch it too much with your fingers if they're greasy, because it'll burn out quicker, but we shall see. Luckily it's a mild day, winter here. Let's pop that out like so. See, easy enough. And just put in the new one into the socket until it clicks, and then put it back in. And make sure the seal is on well and it lines up, and then you squeeze it till it's tight again, like so, and then we will do the reverse assembly, and hopefully this will all work. So to test it, I'm just going to use my fob, my unlock button on the Honda, and the second you should see in this area, this is the burnt out bulb. It's working fine, as we can see, so successful. So I'm going to put this all together and it should be good. I just wanted to notice as I'm putting this back in, there's the little plastic plugs here that line up with the hole, as you can see. So just make sure they're all lined up and that there are no wires that are going to be sticking out. So we're just going to put those in and snap. You hear that snapping? Make sure it's really good and tight. As we can see, it's popped right back in. Then we just have to put in the screws, which I saved over here, and so on. So we'll just do that in reverse. So just pop that in, finger first, and then just going to take Phillips again, star head for layman's term. And I'm just going to screw that in nice and tight. I'm going to put that cap back on. Should just snap right in sideways. Here. Nice and tight, clicks in there real nice. I'll take the next one and go into this tight little space in there, and as we saw earlier, you have to kind of go around from the other side, so really important to get a screwdriver that's long enough to get in at this angle in from this side here, which, as you can see, is very awkward. Yes, I see the rust on the hinge. I should probably get that taken care of. Alright, and just make it nice and snug. It doesn't have to be iron tight, just tight that's not going to come loose or rattle, I think, because it was pretty hard to take off. So if you ever have to take the assembly off again, seems to be a little bit of play. I'm going to check on the other side, make sure, see if that has the same amount of play. Yeah, it does. So a little tiny bit of play is fine. So there you have it. It's all replaced, works fine. Hope you enjoyed the video.